Hi guys, welcome to another beautiful day on Wendy Styles. A happy Friday and weekend to you. I just want you guys to see this beautiful short haircut that is generally short on the back and size of the head and is slightly longer on the top. So it comes with very short bangs, it comes with vice cord. You can also add some pattern like that explore you just see on the screen. And I want you guys to also see this beautiful voice cord for matured women. This is a beautiful variant of a crop short haircuts that is beautiful for older matured women, and it's that kind of hairstyle that will really boost your face shape and your confidence and really take many years off your age. If you really want to look younger, this haircut is really for you, because one thing about the style is that extra short haircut that is ideal for women that want to go for the big chop. Because one thing with this haircut is that haircut that will always make you look beautiful and is versatile. If you want the haircut that will really set eyes in every occasion, you really need to go for this beautiful blonde haircut, because the color is so beautiful. Sometimes you need to go out of your comfort zone to go for this beautiful blonde color. I just want you guys to see the after of this hair and see how it turns out so gorgeous for this beautiful women. In this video we have those kind of versatile haircut that can be styled in different ways, and it's that kind of style that is for beautiful women over 50. So if you really want that trendiest look for those 2024, this youthful hairstyle is something you need to opt for, because of those having some hair on the top and the two shaved side by the side, because it will really give you that fitting you want, and it's a haircut that really suits all face shape. Whether you have the round face or you have the oval face, this haircut is really for you. The first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. If you're really looking for a style that is short to turn head, I would advise you to please opt for the super beautiful cute haircuts for beautiful matured women. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.
I can got my cocoa, what do you? I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by your trololo, my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in the I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by your trololo, my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in the I am a polymer. to you, I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you, I tell you, my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am up, man. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you, I tell you, my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am up, man.